Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. It's a pretty good file, but he wants to remove, he calls them white lines, but they're not white, they're gone, they're transparent. And he wants to leave the white in the face mask. I do not know if he's a printer or a sublimator or a engraver, but one of the things he wants to do is remove this right here. That he kind of laughed, and he wants them, looks like a man's nose and a chin, and it does. So with the shape tool, you can just select these nodes and delete them and pretty much do what you want with them, and kind of like that. Maybe look at that, take that, well, let's just back up here. We were pretty good, and you could change this handle. And I see some other little things I would fix, like that right there. I would take and move that. Maybe right click and turn that into when it's already a cusp, or already a curve, it's already a cusp. So yeah, it's already a cusp, but you could do stuff like that, clean it up. If you have X8 and above, you could use a smoothing tool. Of course, we're way too big. Let's go 0.05 and click on that and just smooth that out. Depending on what you're planning on doing with this. There's some rough spots on the helmet right there. So I'm actually going further than he wanted me to with that, but I would smooth some things out, just kind of look at everything. So we've gotten rid of the nose. Now he wants all the black line, or what he called white lines, and I do have my yellow box locked, so I can't grab it. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to go and make a boundary. And I've got my nudge factor set on 6 inches. The football player is only 3 inches. So you know what, I can set my nudge factor on 4. Let's do it on 5. And I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to put a boundary around it. And then I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Then we're still going to have some broken parts. If you can see where the interior lines go inside, and like right there. So we can contour it now. So let's go to Effects, Contour, and we're going to contour with red, just 0.02, and see what happens. You could probably go 0.01, but for the videos, that's good enough. Then I'm going to go to Object, Break Contour Apart, try to grab the red and move it up. I missed, but I got the red. That's really what I wanted. Now I'm going to fill this in with black. Fill my contour in with black and nudge it over. Now it did take away the white face, but there's a lot of things you can do with that. Let's do this. Let's move it back. So he must be a printer because he wants to fill this in with white. So you need to pick, if you're a printer, you need to pick CYMK. If you're you wouldn't want to engrave this, but we're gonna zoom in here, and we're gonna turn all these parts white. Now here's kind of the trick. Take your shift tool and select all the white. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, we've got 9. Let's move them up. And then let's put a yellow box up here to see if we got them all. Fill it in with yellow and go and back a page. And we must not, there they are right there. So there's our pieces. What I would do right now is group these together with Control G, and just remember that, and move this back. We don't need that yellow box anymore. Move this down. And I'm thinking that's what he wants to do. If I'm not right, please email me back. Now we still have a red hairline, so you could grab this thing and left click, no outline. So there's you a football player without I actually like the first one with the transparency. Anyway, I'm actually going to send you this file. And if that's not what you were looking for, please let me know. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.